Hey floor cleaners, it's John here, and in this video I'm going to walk you through my tips to help your Facebook posts go viral and generate you more jobs for your floor cleaning business. If you've never heard of me before, my name's John Williams and I run a company called AGB. We specialize in one industry and one industry only, the floor cleaning industry, and we specialize in one thing only, getting you booked out with jobs on autopilot using our specialist digital marketing system. Whether you're a carpet cleaner, a tile cleaner, a hardwood floor cleaner, we work with guys like you and we get you completely booked out with jobs. I'm on a personal mission to try and help as many floor cleaning businesses as humanly possible, not just survive but thrive, whether that's through working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program or through this YouTube channel. So without further ado, let's dive right in. The easiest ways to make a Facebook post go viral. So you're putting your videos out to promote your carpet cleaning or your floor cleaning business, and obviously you want to reach as many people as humanly possible. You want to get in front of as many customers as you can and generate as many jobs as you can through your social media marketing approach. And I'm going to show you some hints, tips, hacks and cracks today that will help you do that, help you reach more people, get in front of more people with your business organically, and hopefully generate you more jobs. A viral video is every marketer's dream. It's the surest way to cut through the noise on the internet, and studies show that social viewers, people who watched shared content rather than videos they found themselves through browsing, they're far more likely to buy a product or sign up to a service and also recommend it to others. Going viral means that your content resonates so much that people talk about it all across the internet. The viral content, whether it's a blog post, a video on Facebook or a tweet, catches on fire and it becomes enthusiastically shared across social media and commented on, and often helps with the promotion of the company and attracts new customers. I'm going to outline, as I've just mentioned, 10 steps that you can take to improve the chances of your Facebook post going viral for your floor cleaning business and therefore attracting more customers and more jobs on the schedule. Number one, create short content. Generally speaking, it's obvious that short content is easier to spread than long content. People's attention, in particular on social media, is very limited. Literally, like, people want things yesterday. We live in a world of like Netflix, Uber, super fast. And so if it's too long, if it's too long-winded, your content, people can't be bothered to go through it all and they're just going to drop off, and it's certainly not going to go viral. Long content may be richer, provide more information, but it does not have too many opportunities for viral transmission. Short content can better attract the audience's attention and gain more sharing and make it easier to spread. In all spheres of social media, short form content rules much of the internet and must actively earn the time it takes for a reader to pursue it. The topic of the short form content should be immediately obvious to the reader from the title and standpoint. Be straightforward and don't waste readers' time. So like in the world of like carpet cleaning, it could literally be like a video of you cleaning the carpet, some sensational results and a hook or a headline: don't let dirty carpets ruin your home. It's very obvious what it's about. It's very straightforward. It's very short. It's very to the point. It's very consumable. It's very instant. And if you've got like, that sensational sort of transformation, that's the kind of thing that might go viral. Number two, focus on the headlines. Headlines change the way the readers visualize your content. You'll be amazed at how simple it is to make your content go viral using a killer headline. First impressions really matter, hence a catchy headline is essential while creating viral content. So you want that hook that gets people to stick around and watch that video, to consume that piece of content. That little hook, that headline, that's the thing that's going to grab people's attention. And just below on the screen here, here's a little formula that you can use to actually create an amazing headline. This is something that we use in our own advertising agency for the floor cleaning industry. And as we go through these slides, I'll show you this in practice and demonstrate it to you. So the formula goes like this: number plus adjective plus keyword plus rationale plus promise equals the ultimate headline. And I'm going to show you that later in this slide as an example. So number three, keep the content content visual. The vast majority of human communication is non-verbal. Our brain processes visual information much faster than word processing. Content with related images gets much more views than content without images, but the use of visual content is nothing new. Although we have realized its importance, everyone is paying attention to visual trends to make their content more attractive. Therefore, it's very important that visual content has to be of a high quality. Pursue quality, use high resolution photos, photo editor or Photoshop to make the videos and the content pop. So let's put this into a little bit of context. So ultimately, people again have got limited attention spans. So if they've got to read through multiple paragraphs of something, they're not going to do that. But if it's a video that's like 10 seconds long, that's very quick and easy to consume, something that they can watch, that's going to grab people's attention a lot more, and you're going to have much more chance of it spreading, going viral and getting in front of way more people. And so basically, like Facebook itself, it's very video centric and it very much pushes like video content. Instagram's all very visual orientated. YouTube is very visual orientated. So if you're putting content together to promote your floor cleaning business, think about videos you're actually performing the service, sensational, that before and after thing. It could be like the most disgusting carpet in the world. That's going to grab people's attention, right? And then how it looks afterwards. It could be like a slideshow, it could be a before and after imagery, it could be a video, but definitely focus on the creative aspect, on the visual aspect, on the video, on the imagery. These days, like, there's a heads up, you don't need any expensive equipment. Most cell phones these days, smartphones, have got incredible cameras in them, amazing cameras in them, and there's so many apps, most of which are free, that you can download for editing videos on your phone or editing images, putting filters on things, making things look good, adding text and overlays. So download some good apps, have some fun with your phone and your camera that's built into it, and start putting together some visual content to promote your floor cleaning business. So I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button so that you get notified when the next video comes out. And if you'd like to find out a little bit more about working with us on a one-on-one basis inside our program to take your floor cleaning business to the next level, get you booked out with jobs on autopilot, head to the description below where you'll find all the necessary information. See you on the next one. Cheers.